Hey everyone, so today I'm going to change out this thermal paste on this laptop. It's about 4 years or so or more, so time to change it out, put on some fresh thermal paste. That maybe I'll make a quick video on where all the screw locations are and how to get the back cover off. So if you peel off the edge of those rubber pads, you will see a Phillips screw. So each corner of these pads has these, where you peel it up and you will see all these Phillips screw heads. Careful not to peel off all of it because in order to stick it back, you probably have to buy a new replacement pad. So just gently pry up the corners that to a point where you can actually see the Phillips screw heads. Okay, once I get this off, we'll take a look at the internals. Okay, so once you get off this 4 screws on each corner, you're gonna have one tiny little Phillip on the front bottom of the back plate, and then you may want to get like a plastic pry tool, which I have here, and then you simply pry it on the side, not to go too deep because you don't want to go and damage any components on the motherboard, but yeah, you just simply slide it on the side and you pop it up. Kind of hard to do with one hand holding the camera, but you get the idea. So once you have the edges loose, you can just take off the back plate. It'll come right off, and there you have access to the back of the board, and you can see here's the heat pipe that's sitting top of the CPU. So we're going to replace these, take off these 4 screws, 3, 4, and then we'll have access to replace the old thermal paste, apply the fresh one. Okay, so we have all the screws removed from the heat sink or heat pipe, and then you gently pry off slowly from here, and we go around over here. So you want to be very careful because you don't want to bend the pipe. Once you bend the pipe, it won't be good. So we take it off, and then you can see the old thermal paste. We're going to clean that off also over the CPU, and we'll reassemble everything as how we took everything off. Okay, I went ahead and cleaned off the old thermal paste and applied a fresh thermal paste using the Arctic MX6, and I went ahead and cleaned off the heat pipe. So now we'll go ahead and just reinstall everything backward. Back the screws. After you got the cover back on and have everything screwed in, it will be a little loose and it won't stick anymore. So I went ahead and used E6000 glue. It bonds pretty much to a lot of surfaces such as rubber. Perfect for this. Everything seemed to have stuck down pretty well. I'm just waiting for it to be dried and ready to go. Hopefully this video is helpful, and see you guys next time.